Welcome back. Prime Minister Modi is on a 3-day visit to Sri Lanka. Around 7 MOUs were signed between Sri Lanka and India, focusing on defence, health and infrastructure. The Prime Minister was honoured by Sri Lanka with the highest civilian award after being conferred the Mitra Vibhushan medal. The Prime Minister dedicated the honour to 140 crore Indians and thanked the Sri Lankan President for the gesture. In his speech, the Prime Minister spoke about the strong ties between Sri Lanka and India. He said that Sri Lanka will rise stronger and India will help them at every cost. The Prime Minister mentioned that India will assist Sri Lanka in building the Sita temple. Tomorrow, Prime Minister Modi will visit Anuradhapura and pay homage at the sacred Jayashri Mahabodhi tree. Also will inaugurate the Anuradhapura railway signalling system and the newly upgraded Maho Umanthiyai railway line, both of which were established with assistance from the Indian government.
भारत के लिए यह गर्व का विषय है कि हमने एक सच्चे पड़ोसी मित्र के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन किया है। चाहे 2019 का आतंकी हमला हो, कोविड महामारी हो या हाल में आया आर्थिक संकट, हर कठिन परिस्थिति में हम श्रीलंका के लोगों के साथ खड़े रहे हैं। राष्ट्रपति दिशानायक ने अपनी पहली विदेश यात्रा के लिए भारत को चुना था और उनके पहले विदेशी अतिथि बनने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिला है। यह हमारे विशेष संबंधों की गहराई का प्रतीक है। हमारी नेबरहुड फर्स्ट पॉलिसी और विजन महासागर दोनों में श्रीलंका का विशेष स्थान है। आज राष्ट्रपति दिशानायक द्वारा श्रीलंका मित्र विभूषण से सम्मानित किया जाना मेरे लिए गौरव की बात है। यह सम्मान केवल मेरा सम्मान नहीं, बल्कि यह 140 करोड़ भारतीयों का सम्मान है। यह भारत और श्रीलंका के लोगों के बीच ऐतिहासिक संबंधों और गहरी मित्रता का सम्मान है। इस सम्मान के लिए मैं राष्ट्रपति जी का, श्रीलंका सरकार और यहाँ के लोगों का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ।
සිය රට දියුණු නව ලෝකයක් කරා ගමන් කිරීමට බාධාවක් පවතින දේශපාලන සංස්කෘතිය සහ අගතීන් වෙනස් කරන බවට ජනතාව සමග ඇති කරගත් සම්මුතියකින් බලයට පැමිණි ගරු ශ්‍රී නරේන්ද්‍ර මෝදි මැතිතුමා විසින් ඉන්දියාවේ සිදු කළ දේශපාලන පරිවර්තනයට සමාන අපේක්ෂාවන්ගෙන් යුතුව
and we have similar aspirations as a government, and we appreciate all these events, and I consider it as a matter of historic value. Sri Lanka and India share close links for a long time, and this reflects this friendship.
Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri has briefed the media on India-Sri Lanka bilateral talks and what's going to be on top of the agenda. Let's take a listen.
There is a recognition also at the leadership level that the security interests of India and Sri Lanka are interlinked. Both leaders made this point emphatically today. Both in their restricted as well as delegation level talks, and then during the press statements as well. And it is on the basis of this understanding that today the two sides concluded an MOU on defense cooperation, providing further impetus to the existing defense partnership, signifying their shared commitment to regional security and stability.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will pay a visit to the sacred city of Anuradhapura in Sri Lanka. Anuradhapura, also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its well-preserved ruins of the ancient Sinhalese civilization. Here's an exclusive ground report by India Today's Nagarjun Dwarkanath from Anuradhapura.
I am here in Anuradhapura. This is also a UN declared World Heritage Site. This is an ancient capital of Sri Lanka and also pilgrimage center or a religious center to the Buddhists here. This is the entrance to the main Bodhi tree temple. Behind me is the main entrance. It is believed that the same tree that Buddha got enlightened back in India, one of the saplings was brought here to Sri Lanka by the daughter of Emperor Ashoka. Sangamitra, the daughter, is believed to have bought one of the saplings and planted it here. And now it has become a religious center for all the Buddhists in Sri Lanka. Prime Minister Modi will be visiting this temple tomorrow, offering his prayers, seeking blessings. From here, he flies to Rameshwaram